A great cup of Bulletproof coffee is an excellent source of energy, decreases food cravings, and gives you more focus throughout the day. One of my favorite things about Bulletproof coffee is it improves cognitive function. Our brains are nearly 60% fat, which makes it no surprise that we need fat to function properly. To make the best cup of Bulletproof coffee to fuel your body and your brain throughout the day, you're going to need a coffee drip maker, a magic bullet, Bulletproof coffee beans, lion's mane supplement powder, ghee butter, and Bulletproof brain octane oil. Start with Bulletproof coffee. This often comes in whole bean form. Bulletproof coffee goes through an enormous amount of tests to make sure that it has no mold and it is rid of 27 different toxins that are found on regular coffee beans. Once you have your coffee grounds, just pour them into the coffee maker. You want to use what's called the golden ratio, which means for every 6 ounces of water, you use 2 tablespoons of coffee beans. Since I used 4 tablespoons of coffee beans, I'm using 12 ounces of water. Next, add 1 teaspoon of lion's mane. Lion's mane is a superfood for your brain, improving focus and memory. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of pasture-raised ghee. Ghee butter has 10 grams of saturated fat in just 1 tablespoon. It's also high in vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin K. If you use grass-fed butter, measure 1 to 2 tablespoons. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of brain octane oil, depending on your level of experience with it. This kickstarts your body's ability to run on ketone energy. I also like to add salt and cinnamon for a little extra flavor and nutritional benefit. The salt adds electrolytes, which you need for certain nerve impulses and muscle contractions. Cinnamon adds flavor, but it's also a powerful antioxidant for your body. Now it's time to run the magic bullet for about 10 to 15 seconds. This will combine all of the ingredients to make sure they mix well, and it will especially make sure you don't taste the texture of the lion's mane. Once that 10 to 15 seconds is up, you are ready for the best cup of Bulletproof coffee.